Welcome, everybody. This is Jasmine Allmon back at the West Knoxville office with the Skin Podcast. I am a licensed esthetician, and I'm here today with my really good friend and former colleague, Tempest. She is a Buccal specialist now,
Yes.
so she's going to talk to us more about that. So what is Buccal, Temp?
Okay, so essentially Buccal is a different modality of face massage. So as estheticians, you know, we work on the epidermis, everything's very surface level, everything is relaxation based. So all of the massage movements that we do are kind of just gliding and really relaxing.
Yeah.
Buccal is much more in depth. It's almost like a deep tissue face massage.
So who is it for? Like, who would be a good candidate? Is it for everybody? Can
Yeah.
anybody get it?
So pretty much anyone. There are few contraindications, things like pregnancy. It's not great for pregnancy.
Okay.
Also any like jaw infections. Other than that, it is great from 18 to 95. If you have skin,
95.
if you have tissue, it can be worked on. And it gives a nice sculpting appearance. So it has a great cosmetic benefit for those who are maybe wanting that facelift effect without undergoing surgery or without doing like the fat pad removal surgeries, things like that. So it gives a nice
facelift,
shape.
how does that work? Like, what in the treatment do you do to get those type of results?
So by warming up the tissues and doing deeper manipulations of the muscles, I'm actually like grabbing onto the muscles on either side. And then I also work inside of the mouth. So I put gloves on and I'm going in and I am
Nice.
deep tissue working, doing pressure point massage to release
wow.
tension. And once you release that tension and that stress from the muscles, it gives you a natural lifted appearance because your skin is able to breathe. So it brings nutrients to the system, it makes blood surface, and so you just look very youthful and revived after this.
That's awesome and amazing. So let me ask you, is that something that is a common treatment? Are there a lot of people that are offering that here in this area?
There's not really. I am actually the only person that I know of currently certified in the East Tennessee area.
Oh, wow.
So the only other people that I know are in Nashville. Actually, the person that trained me, Katarina Summers at Face Sublime in Franklin, Tennessee. She's fantastic. And then she has a couple of people out there that work for her as well. But no, it's not super common in Tennessee, so
Yeah.
I'm trying to bring awareness to it. But if you go to larger cities like Miami, LA, New York, celebrities are loving this treatment. Like Meghan Markle did it before her wedding.
Okay.
Like it's becoming more of a thing on TikTok. People are really
Yeah.
seeing it. And not only is it super relaxing, but like I said, I mean, it really gives that benefit of sculpting. So it's great to do before an event as well.
I think that's good because I will personally see a lot of people who aren't interested in injectables. There's just, no matter how much you try to encourage them, they just don't believe in it. But it seems like this may be a good alternative. Now, I've heard something about it helping with like TMJ.
Yes. So not only does it have amazing cosmetic benefits, but if you are someone that suffers with TMJ disorder, clicking, jaw tension, pain when you chew, if you're a teeth grinder,
Okay.
This is amazing for you because you do end up holding so much of that tension and stress in your jaw, and it just causes pain. You can have headaches, you can have insomnia. So by releasing that tension and allowing those joints to settle where they're supposed to, it really relieves a lot of pain and symptoms that TMJ sufferers have.
That's awesome because I know a lot of people will resort to, again, injectables to treat TMJ.
Yeah,
So it
like
seems
masseter
this is-
Botox.
Yeah, so this seems like it may be a good alternative for those who aren't interested in that.
Absolutely, absolutely.
That's
Masseter
great.
Botox can be spectacular for a lot of people, but there are some people that are nervous about
Right.
the idea of injectables or just not really wanting to undergo that whole thing.
Yeah.
So this is kind of like a face gym. It's literally building the muscles and strengthening them back up so that way you get those longer benefits, longer effects, and it's not just a quick Band-Aid. So
Nice.
it's going to give you more youthful looking skin for a longer time and also reduced pain and symptoms for a longer period of time.
So it's twofold. It's anti-aging and it's corrective for those ailments and the muscle tightness.
Correct.
That's amazing. So how often would you recommend somebody get a treatment like that?
So your average person for maintenance and relaxation, they're going to do this once a month. If I have a client, I have quite a few TMJ sufferers, people that are having more of those pain-related issues,
Right.
and I recommend that they do a series of either 5 or 10, depending on their severity. And they'll come once a week or once every other week for a series.
Awesome.
After that, it goes to once a month maintenance for an extended period of time. So you only
Case
really
by
need,
case,
yeah,
maybe.
pretty much. You really it's played by ear. Once I go in and I really feel what's happening and they describe their symptoms to me, then that's when I will recommend their series of treatments.
Awesome. So. I feel like I learned so much. Is there anything else you want to tell us about Buccal?
So I think that Buccal is a wonderful holistic alternative. It gives overall wellness, and I really believe that if we do some research and see some more videos, it could be huge in Knoxville.
Yes, I love it. It seems like you're a pioneer in this area.
I'm really
for
excited
it, and that's
about
amazing. I love that. Well, thank you so much for joining us today and educating us so much, and thank you for your time. We'll see you guys next time on the Skin Podcast. Okay, I feel like I just learned so much and I'm overwhelmed, but a few takeaways I feel like I got from Tempest and her educating us about Buccal is that it is a great alternative for those who aren't interested in injectables but still want that sculpted look. So I think that's amazing. People love holistic. A lot of us within this realm in integrative medicine lean that way. So yeah, there's that. If you are a teeth grinder at night, guilty. This is a good treatment for that as well. So it helps with your skin and it helps with your muscles and contouring your face. And I think that's amazing. So join us next time on the Skin Podcast.